decided to come to college because I wanted to finally get my qualifications done. My dad used to be a mechanic. I've grown up working on cars with him, learning about cars, and it's always been a big interest. So I decided to come here to get qualifications to hopefully progress.
So far in the course we've been learning all sorts. So like this Monday we were learning about doing fuel injectors and spark plugs, and last week we were doing tyres. There's all sorts of different things we've been learning on the course so far.
My favourite part has probably been working on hybrid cars, because it's something new, something, you know, it's still a bit unknown. So, you know, when you're working on it, you're trying to piece together what does what, how it works, stuff like that, and it's quite interesting to find out.
My favourite part of the course probably so far is interacting with the different people in our class and making new friends who've also got a similar interest.
The atmosphere is great, you know, everyone has a laugh, but at the end of the day, everyone, you know, gets the work done. The tutors are great, yeah. Anything you need, they're there to help. Any questions, they answer them in full. There's not much you can't ask them. They're going to give you a good answer in depth and explain why and how, or stuff like that. They're really, really good. I
think I've matured a lot more compared to when I was at school, and my knowledge has definitely improved compared to before college. So I've definitely reckon I've grown up a bit more since before I started college. If
you want to expand your knowledge, if you want to do something in mechanics, go for it, and just make sure you concentrate, because it is a lot harder than people think. Things they're quite in depth, and it works different to how you'd expect and stuff like that. So concentrate, but go for it 100%.